How frequently could it be found a complete training program on a high-paying profession, including all necessary resources to start your own online business, completely free? Hi, Alonso here, and I will introduce you to this amazing program called Affiliate Accelerator and tell you how to take advantage of it. I will also show you a little demo of the product behind the training, MintBird. But first, let me share with you some comments from actual marketers about MintBird.
MintBird is amazing. This will change the industry and take it to the next level.
This software is just an amazing revolutionary approach to shopping cart software. Not only are all challenges we have with current shopping carts and funnel building software taken away, this software, by using funnel logic, creates powerful sales funnels.
I can't believe how easy it is to use libraries in MintBird to build my funnels. I see the difference between building a product in a funnel and instead having products and sharing a funnel. Wow, I would love to have the MintBird shopping cart software.
Amazing quick simple funnel builder. I spent hours on ClickFunnels, wishing there was something as simple as this.
The co-founders of MintBird, Belcher and Chad Nicely, they put together the Affiliate Accelerator program where you can learn how to become a power affiliate and make your way to success in affiliate marketing, the best paid profession. And it is totally free. Here is a couple of comments from current students.
This is an absolutely awesome product. Even an absolute beginner will be able to make funnels and market products like a many-year veteran. MintBird has been designed with an innovative library-based format. This is a true game changer.
Again, I am grateful that I became an affiliate student for MintBird. I see that I can build a cart in easy steps. The training we are receiving in the Affiliate Bootcamp is fabulous. This training is helping me understand MintBird and what the software can do for me.
If you are looking for ways to make money online, this is an opportunity you would not want to miss out. Click the link in the description and sign up for the training. Thanks for watching. Alonso out.